Newlyweds Brooklyn Beckham and Nicola Peltz stepped out yesterday as dad David turned 47. The pair were snapped on a stroll near the World Trade Center in New York City weeks after their wedding. 5. The pair were snapped on a stroll near the World Trade Center in New York City weeks after their wedding credit, splash. 5. Brooklyn and Nicola looked every inch the happy couple credit, splash. 5. Nicola took off her blazer later on in the day as the weather warmed up credit, splash. The couple married in a star-studded ceremony at her family's £76 million estate in Florida last weekend, and they appear to be loving life as newlyweds. The actress took to her Instagram stories to upload the picture of a beaming Brooklyn looking down at the camera, with his numerous tattoos and bed hair on display. She captioned the picture, "Married Life," before tagging his Instagram username. It comes after Nicola revealed the extreme lengths they went to for a smartphone-free wedding day. Taking to social media earlier this week, the actress shared a snap of two very vintage-looking mobile phones, which gave fans a behind-the-scenes glimpse into the lavish wedding. Meanwhile, Brooklyn's mom Victoria paid tribute to her husband. She wrote, "I love you so much, David Beckham. You are the most incredible husband anyone could wish for, and I feel truly blessed." 5. The couple married in a star-studded ceremony last month credit, German Larkin, Vogue. 5. David Beckham and his daughter Harper posed